Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to change a Honda Jazz front light bulb. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver and the correct replacement H4 bulbs. Always ensure your vehicle's engine is off and the parking brake is set before starting any work. Now, open the hood and locate the rear of the headlight assembly, which is usually accessible from the engine bay. Next, you'll need to disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the bulb by gently pulling it off. After that, carefully remove the rubber dust cover, which protects the bulb from moisture and dirt. This will expose the metal retaining clip or spring that holds the bulb in place. Unclip this spring and then you can carefully pull the old bulb straight out. Now, take your new H4 bulb and carefully insert it into the headlight housing, making sure the tabs on the bulb align with the notches in the housing. Avoid touching the glass part of the bulb with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Secure the bulb by re-engaging the metal retaining clip. Finally, replace the rubber dust cover and firmly reconnect the electrical connector. After installing the new bulb, it's crucial to test it. Turn on your headlights and check both the low beam and high beam functions to ensure everything is working as it should. If the bulb doesn't light up, double-check your connections. For more great tips and resources, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below for links and other deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.